Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change default download folder. First of all, create folder you want to make default folder. Right click, select folder, name it. Now press Windows E on the desktop. Go to the home at the left bar. Select downloads folder, right click. Go to the properties. Select location. Here is the default location of the downloads. Now click move. Now you need to select new downloads folder you make default. Go to the desktop, select the folder and click select folder. Now click OK. Click yes for confirmation. And it's done. Now your default download folder changed. Thanks for watching.